Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's April 8th, 2023. Thea and I have been quite busy lately trying to get ready for spring around here, as many of you are as well, I'm certain. We've been working on our media sales and all, so I've got a lot more books and media to get straightened out. Then we can work on some of the ones from downstairs that you probably saw in previous videos. But one of the things that I've been working on recently is our website and our plans for the website, the YouTube channel, and something else, and newsletter in the future. So previously I mentioned about Mindful Living Sanctuary, our website, and this is our website right here. It's on my big screen right here. And it's got a little welcoming to it, and the site address is www.mindfullivingsanctuary.com. I have posted some articles, and like the first article, and that's Welcome to the Mindful Living Sanctuary website. That's what that one was about. Our 10 forms of capital, that was the second article. Going through financial capital, material capital, living capital, intellectual capital, and so on. I won't go through all those right now. But those are the first two articles, and then good design, the elements of good design. These are all topics I've talked about in the past that I think are really important. Our website is not where I want it so far. I've got a lot of work to do to make it better. And although we have social media icons up here, YouTube is the only one that I've been using at any significant amount. We did create this newsletter, and I'd really appreciate it if people would just go ahead and go to the website and read a little bit about the newsletter. And if you're interested in finding out more about what's going on with us, at the bottom of the page of the newsletter, you can sign up for the newsletter as well. And this will be certainly for people who want to find out about what's going on with our site and all, but also it'll be one of those it'll be a site where people can learn more about what we're going to be doing as far as plant sales in the future. We're starting to get used to shipping books and CDs and DVDs. Hopefully by next year we'll be more comfortable and be able to ship bare root and small plants, those sorts of things. Shipping potted plants just doesn't cut it. Bare root plants in the early spring and late fall, when the plants are dormant, it certainly can be done. But one of the things I'd say that I'd really like input on, and this is I'm using, so here are a few of the articles over here in the left-hand lower part of the screen. So that's the first introductory article, the 10 forms of capital, and those three are already done. But I'm working on a whole variety of different topics to include on the website, and I've got a structure diagram, like a mind map for me to be able to use. So some of the topics: the introduction to permaculture, permaculture ethics, permaculture principles in design, the design process in permaculture, permaculture zones, and the introduction to permaculture. Do I have two of those? And ways to build soil, water harvesting, hugelkultur, and the various types of hugelkultur, composting, ponds, swales, sediment, bioremediation, vernal pools, beaver ponds, beavers. So those are quite a few of the articles that I've gotten started so far, and I have a whole variety of articles that I had started over the years and never finished, and I do want to get probably 30 or 40 more articles up before this year's over with. So my request to you, I'm reaching out to you as people who are really interested in what's going on here at Mindful Living Sanctuary, is to sign up for the newsletter. Give us suggestions, articles that you think, based on the videos that you've seen in the past, things that you'd like to learn more about, so it can at least be put onto my list for accomplishing in the future. I need to take photos and do some short videos. I really want to redo the videos that I've done in the past, going over from plant propagation to everything from equipment maintenance to pruning, all of those things that I've done videos on in the past, and going over rhizobacteria or mycorrhizal fungi, or all of the other various topics, and I'll just ramble like I usually do. But I need structure to help me get everything organized so that the website will be more user friendly. I want it to be inviting, enticing, encouraging, and to help people to incorporate and give us feedback and ideas as well. So if you have any suggestions or thoughts, please sign up or visit the website. Let us know what you're thinking. Leave comments on what I've written so far. Leave suggestions. Let us know what you think about the newsletter, what articles you'd like to see in the newsletter as well. And I think mostly the newsletter right now, the way I'm thinking about it, is information about the plant nursery, plants for sale, those sorts of things. So those people who are local that come here to pick up sales, to pick up plants and all, it'll be easier for them to know when we're doing different things, because we're just the two of us and we're busy all the time and may not be easily available to meet with people at all times. That's why we schedule appointments and all. So enough of me babbling on at this point. I just wanted to touch base with you all and let you know that we're working on the website again. It's mindfullivingsanctuary.com. There'll be a link in the description of the video below. And bear with us. I'll try and make some decent videos in the near future. It's just been pretty crazy around here. So I hope everyone's taking care of themselves, thinking about spring. We got lots of cool things to be thinking about with spring, and growing things, and doing lots of reassessment of our lives, of our permaculture sites, of our homesteads, whatever it may be. So let's get excited. I'm pretty excited. Thanks so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you found this of value. And by all means, folks, stay safe and take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye now.